This is Jean from the 125 Live TechMates team in Rochester, Minnesota. Our main purpose is to assist 125 Live social members with technology. Our YouTube videos and website can be enjoyed by anyone free of charge. Classes and personal assistance are available free of charge for 125 Live social members. Non-members are charged a $10 guest fee. Call 507-287-1404 to join. Now let's get on with the video. In this video, we will explore the taskbar. The taskbar is located along the bottom of your screen. The bottom position is the default position, but you can also position your taskbar on the left, on the right, or on the top of your screen using the settings function. The Windows icon on the far left of the taskbar opens up the Start menu, which is covered in detail in another 125 Live TechMates video. The next item along the taskbar is the search field. It says type here to search. Let's search for the Microsoft Word application. Click in the Type Here to Search and type the word Word. W-O-R-D. The very top item is the Word application. If you click on this icon, it will take you directly into the Word program. If we go back to the search field again, you'll notice the icons at the top of the window. These icons let us know what we are searching, that we are searching through apps, documents, and the web. If you click on the apps icon, it will limit your search to available apps. Clicking on the documents icon will limit your search to documents on your computer. And clicking on the web icon will do a web search using Bing. As you'll notice on the right-hand side of this little window that opened, there's 3 dots which offer you options. If you click on those horizontal dots, located at the top right of that window, you'll open up another menu, a drop-down menu. That has different options that you can use to further refine your search. You'll find that the search field comes in handy when you're looking for a setting. Let's say you wanted to change the size of your cursor. If you type in the search field the word cursor, you'll find several related settings. You would actually want probably to change your mouse pointer size. If you used Windows 7 in the past, you were accustomed to the control panel. Let's type control panel in the search field. And you can see that it brings up the application control panel. Now that should look familiar to you Windows 7 people. Let's close this window for now. The next menu item on the taskbar is the File Explorer application. If we click on it, you can see that you can use the File Explorer to find documents, pictures. If you scroll down a little, there's also videos and music. There's also OneDrive, which is the Microsoft Cloud feature. Let's close out of File Explorer for now. Following the File Explorer is Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is the Windows 10 browser. I also have my Google browser open. That's why this icon is here. I'm using PowerPoint right now, and you can see by the line underneath that it is active. We can also see that I have Word open and that it is active as well. Farther on to the right side of the taskbar are more icons. The first menu item is an upward arrow. If you click on this icon, you will see hidden icons. These icons are hidden to conserve space on the taskbar. Please note that you can unhide these icons in Settings. Next is what is called the notification area. This consists of 4 icons. The battery status, mine is fully charged. Internet access, speakers, allow you volume control, and the date and time. Notice it will also bring up a calendar. The icon to the very far right is the Action Center. Here you'll receive email alerts and be notified if there are any security or maintenance issues. At the bottom of this window, you will find a group of quick settings buttons. We'll close out of the Action Center. You'll notice at the very far right there's a very fine line, vertical line, and then a tiny space next to that. If you click in that field just to the right of a vertical line, any windows on your screen, for instance Word, will minimize in size. So let's try it. Word minimized. Now if I click it again, Word will go back to its original setting. There are several things you can do with the taskbar by right-clicking on it. Notice that the Tools and the Search field have an arrow that's pointing to the right. Clicking on this arrow kicks out what is called a flyout menu with even more choices. You can choose to show the following icons along your taskbar: the Cortana button, the Task View button, the People button, Windows Ink Workspace button, and the Touchboard Keyboard button. You can also choose how you'd like to display your open windows, whether you want them cascade, stacked, or side by side. You can also choose to activate the desktop button. The next item down on this menu is the Task Manager. Let's click on Task Manager. This opens a window with multiple choices across the top. Let's say one of your apps is not responding. Let's say Word isn't responding. It's giving you an error message and you just can't click it. You won't close. It won't do anything. If you right-click on Word, you can close, go to End Task, and it will close it. It will take care of it for you. We'll close out of this menu now. We'll go back to the taskbar and right-click. You can change the location of your taskbar in Taskbar Settings. If we scroll down a little bit in this menu, it says Taskbar Location on screen. Right now it's at the bottom. We can choose to put it on the right or on the top. We'll put it back to the bottom. You can also put it on the left. I like to keep it on the bottom. Okay, that concludes our taskbar exploration. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have questions, you can reach us at 125livetechmates@gmail.com. Please provide a brief description of your problem along with your name and email address. Our services are available free of charge to social members of 125 Live. Non-members can obtain help for a small fee of $10. Consider becoming a member of 125 Live today. Call 507-287-1404 to join.